So evening everyone. We've got to the end of the day. My dad is still watering, but look, we've got some sunflowers over here which I opened. Well, now they're closed, but yeah, we've managed to cut, well, my parents have managed to cut the grass mostly, and we've got a new trimmer and a new what's it, oh wow, can't say it, but this thing, and they all work on batteries. So, but yeah, we still don't have enough battery power, and this is all the water that we've carried, and this is what we've managed, or should we say we've so far have managed to do. There's some flowers over here, so we can have like a seating area. And these are tomatoes. No, it's not a tomato, it's a flower to keep the bugs away. But there are some green ones coming up. But yeah, it's a little bit of a battle with watering everything. This year, strawberries are questionable. We had only a few strawberries this year. I don't know why, but didn't work. And there you go, that's the last lot of tomatoes. And then we also have this tiny row without anything on it. We've got the sweet corn, tomatoes, and we even have some of the raspberry, certain type of raspberry. But yeah, these are all given to me, tomatoes. So yes, they're living next to the other ones. So hopefully we'll get something out of these 4 rows now of tomatoes. But yeah, it's about 10 o'clock at night. So there we go. That's beautiful. But yeah, I think we're gonna be done soon, so we'll be going. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I come over here next. Bye.